your first question might be, where is the battery? Up here under the hood? Nope. It is actually under this seat, the passenger seat. So you can take a look right here. It's gonna be underneath this seat here. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually raise that seat up. So we're gonna raise the seat all the way up, move it all the way forward. I'm gonna go ahead and lean it up, lean the back up even just to give me more space. So we got that seat all the way up. Just move this mat out of the way. And the compartment is right here. You can pick up one of these batteries online or you can pick them up in your store. I'll put some links there. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually pop this up. It has two clips here at the back. So you get your fingers right underneath that and just kind of pop up right there. And this will pull out of the way. Now you can see the battery underneath here. You got your vent here. Make sure you reconnect that. A lot of people, when they change the battery out, they forget to reconnect the vent. You got your positive, got your negative. When you're removing the battery, you're gonna remove the negative terminal first, then remove the positive, and then remove the positive. When we're putting the battery back in, it's the opposite. So we're gonna put the positive back on first, put the negative back on second. That way we don't ground anything, short anything out. And make sure to put this vent back on here. So we're gonna go ahead and start removing this one.